There he goes. Look at that. Speeding up over the bay. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel today. Now have we got something special for you at Brewers Quay. Now we'll be exploring the top 5 things for adults and the children here at Brewers Quay on a bank holiday Monday. Very busy over here. Oh, the rib chart is just going to go in a minute. Might see it coming back in. We can walk over to the pier. We'll watch it coming back in, I think. Yeah, the Rib Charter in Brewers Quay Weymouth is a company offering RIB. Now the RIB stands for Rigid Inflatable Boat Experiences. And the boat charters along the Dorset coast. So this well could be a trip for you. They provide thrilling speedboat rides, wildlife tours and private charters, allowing visitors to explore the stunning Jurassic Coast, Harbour and nearby landmarks like the famous Durdle Door. Yes, and the prices for the Rib Charter is 30 minutes for a thrill ride, that's £25 to £35 per person, and a 1 hour Jurassic Coast tour is £45 to £55 per person. And you've got a 2 hour Wildlife Explorer, that's £70 to £85 per person, or you got a private charter that's from £250, varies by the group and size and duration. So if you're interested in that. And you see dolphins, you're out for about 20 minutes and it's about £20 a trip each, of course, so it'd be £40 if it's 2 of you. Didn't think it'd be running today because it's a bit breezy, but obviously it is. Yeah, so coming down towards the old rooms. And we'll go and have a look at the pier. Okay. You got some, the old rooms are good for some Sunday lunches there. Breakfast, coffee, all sorts I think they do there now. Established in 1771. Apparently it's an historic 17th century pub on Weymouth Harbour, offering food and drinks, and the possibility rooms, known for its cosy traditional atmosphere and the waterfront location. So if you fancy to stop in there, what a lovely view. So just here now, walking along going towards the pier on the Brewers Quay side, and so it is quite far from Brewers Quay. It's a bit of a walk, So if you want to walk, be prepared. If you ain't got your lungs ready, it's a bit of a trek up here. And I'll catch you when we get to the pier. Yeah, we're approaching the little cafe on the riverside or the seaside. And it is all the chairs and tables. You can have a coffee, something to eat, a beer, and things. And that's the river cafe, let's call it, over there. Yeah, so that's the cafe, and now we're going up towards the stone pier in search of the Rib Charter. Let's go and find it. Yeah, you got the coastal vibes over there. I'm not sure if they're doing day trips or anything like that, but it's parked up and you could be taking people out. That's another thing you could do. For things to do in Brewers Quay. And there we go. On the coastal vibes. Yeah, if you've been over here or you've been on the Rib Charter, put a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences of it. It's gone right out now, I reckon, somewhere over there. That could be it over there, actually. You get some nice views from there as well. Good for fishing. Oh, hold on everyone, here comes the Rib Charter. Just going out to sea. Speeding up a little bit now, you'll see it in a minute. There it goes. Look at that. Speeding up over the bay, on its way out to see the dolphins. That's the Rib Charter. Look at that. and out to sea it goes. So if you want to go on that, it's going to cost you £25 to £35 per person. And there it goes, the rib charter on its way out to do some tours. The seems just scared in them at the moment. Going round in circles. That's what you expect when you get the rib charter, I think. Sorry if I can't get the camera still, but I might have to bring it back in a bit. So there it goes, the rib charter. Out to see if they can catch. We'll see some dolphins. Good luck to them all. That's what to expect. They go round in circles and then out to sea. Well, there's a land train. You can get that from Brewers Quay. You fancy going on that? Sorry, mate. Enjoyed that video today, everyone. Please like, subscribe, support the channel and hit that thumbs up button for us, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Have a great day and bye for now.